Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share something really special with you. If you're over 60 or you know someone who is, this video could honestly change everything. We're talking about 3 simple exercises that can keep you active, strong, and most importantly, pain-free. No complicated gym equipment, no expensive memberships, just 3 movements you can do right at home. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we're always sharing tips like these to help you live your best life at any age. And if you find this helpful, share it with a friend or family member who might benefit too. So let's get real for a second. As we age, our bodies change. Things that used to be easy, like getting up from a chair, walking upstairs, or even bending down to pick something up, they start to feel harder. Maybe you've noticed some stiffness in the morning, or your knees hurt after a walk, or you just don't feel as stable on your feet as you used to. That's totally normal, but here's the thing, it doesn't have to stay that way. The secret that a lot of active seniors know is that you don't need to do 100 different exercises. You don't need to spend hours working out. You just need the right 3 exercises that target the most important areas of your body. These 3 movements focus on strength, balance, and flexibility, which are the 3 pillars of staying independent and pain-free as you age. Now, before we start, I want to say this. If you have any medical conditions or you're recovering from an injury, please check with your doctor before trying any new exercise. Safety always comes first. And remember, start slow. It's better to do these exercises correctly with good form than to rush through them. All right, let's talk about exercise number 1. This is called the sit-to-stand exercise, and it's probably the most important movement you can master. Think about how many times a day you sit down and stand up. Getting out of bed, sitting on the toilet, getting up from the dinner table. This movement is essential for independence, and it works your legs, your core, and your balance all at once. Here's how you do it. Find a sturdy chair, one without wheels, and sit down with your feet flat on the floor about hip-width apart. Your knees should be bent at about 90-degree angle. Now, lean forward slightly, and without using your hands if you can, stand up by pushing through your heels. Try to keep your back straight and your core engaged. Then slowly lower yourself back down to the chair with control. That's 1 rep. If you're just starting out and you need to use your hands, that's completely fine. You can place your hands on the armrests or on your thighs to help push yourself up. As you get stronger over the next few weeks, try to use your hands less and less until you can do it completely on your own. Start with just 5 to 10 repetitions. Do this 2 or 3 times throughout the day. What's amazing about this exercise is that it builds serious leg strength. Your quads, your hamstrings, your glutes, all the muscles you need for walking, climbing stairs, and staying mobile. Plus, it improves your balance and coordination, which helps prevent falls. And falls are one of the biggest risks for people over 60, so preventing them is crucial. Now let's move on to exercise number 2. This one is called the wall push-up, and it's perfect for building upper body strength without putting stress on your joints. A lot of people think push-ups are just for young athletes, but the wall version is safe and effective for everyone, especially seniors. Here's what you do. Stand facing a wall about arm's length away. Place your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height and shoulder width apart. Your feet should be planted firmly on the ground. Now, keeping your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, bend your elbows and lean toward the wall. Go as far as feels comfortable, then push yourself back to the starting position. That's 1 rep. The key here is to keep your core tight and your body straight. Don't let your hips sag or stick out. Move slowly and with control. If it feels too easy, you can step further back from the wall to make it harder. If it feels too challenging, step closer to the wall. Try to do 10 to 15 reps, and again, do this 2 or 3 times throughout your day. This exercise strengthens your chest, your shoulders, your arms, and your core. It helps with everyday activities like pushing open heavy doors, getting up from the floor, or even pushing yourself up in bed. Plus, it improves your posture, which can reduce back and neck pain. All right, now for exercise number 3, and this one is all about balance. It's called the single leg stand, and it might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful for preventing falls and improving stability. Balance naturally declines as we age, but the good news is we can train it and get better at it. Here's how you do it. Stand next to a counter or a sturdy chair that you can hold on to for support. Start by holding on with both hands. Lift one foot slightly off the ground, just an inch or two, and try to balance on the other leg. Hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. As you get more confident, try holding on with just one hand, then just one finger, and eventually, if you can, no hands at all. But always keep that counter or chair nearby just in case you need to catch yourself. Safety first, always. Do this exercise 3 to 5 times on each leg. You can do it while you're waiting for your coffee to brew or during commercial breaks while watching TV. What this does is strengthen all those little stabilizer muscles in your ankles, knees, and hips. It improves your proprioception, which is your body's awareness of where it is in space. This helps you react quickly if you trip or lose your balance, which can literally save you from a serious fall. So there you have it, 3 simple exercises: the sit to stand for leg strength, the wall push-up for upper body strength, and the single leg stand for balance. Together, these 3 movements cover everything you need to stay active, independent, and pain-free as you age. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, that's it? Just 3 exercises? Yes, that's it. The beauty of these movements is that they're functional. They train your body for real-life activities, not just for the gym. And because they're simple, you're more likely to actually do them consistently. And consistency is the real secret. Doing these exercises 3 or 4 times a week will give you better results than joining a gym and going once a month. Let me share a quick story. My neighbor, she's 72 years old, and about a year ago she was struggling. She had knee pain, she was afraid of falling, and she stopped doing a lot of the activities she loved. Her daughter showed her these exact 3 exercises, and she started doing them every morning. Within just a few weeks, she noticed a difference. Her legs felt stronger, her knee pain decreased, and she felt more confident walking. Now she's back to gardening, playing with her grandkids, and even going on walks in the park. That's the power of consistency with the right exercises. One more thing I want to mention. Along with these exercises, don't forget about staying active in general. Go for walks, do some stretching, maybe try some gentle yoga if that interests you. Movement is medicine, especially as we age. Your body was designed to move, and the more you move it, the better you'll feel. Also, pay attention to your nutrition. Eating enough protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass. Make sure you're getting plenty of fruits and vegetables, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. All of these things work together to keep you healthy and strong. If you're dealing with chronic pain, don't just accept it as a normal part of aging. Talk to your doctor or a physical therapist. They can help identify what's causing the pain and give you specific exercises or treatments to address it. These 3 exercises are a great foundation, but sometimes you need a little extra help, and that's okay. Before we wrap up, I want to give you a challenge. Try these 3 exercises for the next 30 days. Put a reminder on your phone, mark it on your calendar, whatever works for you. Do them consistently, and I promise you'll notice a difference in how you feel. Then come back and leave a comment letting me know how it went. I love hearing success stories from you guys. And remember, it's never too late to start. Whether you're 60, 70, 80, or beyond, your body can still get stronger. You can still improve your balance. You can still reduce pain and stay active. Age is just a number, and with the right approach, you can live a vibrant, independent life for years to come. All right, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to see it, and subscribe if you haven't already. We've got tons of content coming your way to help you live your healthiest life. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.